Today I'm making Christmas cookies. You can find the quantities of the ingredients in the video description below. Mix softened butter until smooth. Add sugar and a pinch of salt. Then mix once again. Crack 3 eggs one by one, mixing after adding each egg. Mix until the dough begins to look paler. Zest 3 lemons into the dough and mix once more. Add the flour and mix by hand. The dough is quite sticky. When it's well mixed and uniform, turn it into a ball. Flatten the ball and let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Work with a third of the dough at a time. Roll the dough down to a thickness of 6 to 10 millimeters. Then use cookie cutters to shape the cookies. Because the dough is sticky, you have to tap on the cookies until they fall down. Arrange them on baking paper to prevent sticking. Brush them with a mixture of egg yolk and a tablespoon of milk. Place them in the fridge for 15 minutes before baking. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes in the upper middle part of the oven. The cookies have a wonderful buttery and citrus smell. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.